In this video, I'm going to be talking about a command that I created in Mix It Up called chance. Now, chance is a command that will give a user a random reward when it is triggered. So on my stream, the only way you can earn this command is through a spin the wheel feature. So if you spin the wheel and it lands on chance, you have the option to take a chance and win anywhere from like 1 to 500,000 culture coins, which is my currency system in Mix It Up, or have the chance to go bankrupt and lose everything. Now, before we get started with this tutorial, let's just say if you don't have a currency system set up in Mix It Up, I'll link a video down in the description down below. Go set that up and then come back to this video and set up the chance command with me. Before I even get started on showing you how to set this chance command up, the first step is to make a currency system. So we're not going to do that right now, but I have a video linked down in the description down below on a tutorial I made on how to set this currency system up. Go set that up real quick and then come back to this video and then I'll show you how to set this up together. So once you get the currency system set up, we're going to make a brand new action group. So click the 3 lines at the top left, scroll down until you see action group. Click that, and then at the very bottom, you'll see new action group. Click that, and then you're going to name it. I'm going to name it Chance 2 just for this video. My main one is called Chance. So now we're going to make an action, and this is going to be a random action. So click action, scroll all the way down until you see random. Click the plus button to add it. Now it's very important you need to do number 1 right here because we're going to make a bunch of groups under that random action, and it's going to be a list of probably 20 of them, and it's going to select 1 out of that 20 for that user to win. So make sure that is number 1 right there. And now the second step is we're going to make a group action. So under random, you'll see action right here. We're going to click that, go all the way down until you see group. Click that, and then the plus sign, and then added that group. And now we're going to make another action, and it's going to be a chat message. So click action, chat message, which should be at the top. Click the plus button to add it. I'm going to open this up so you can see the full window right there. And now the chat message is going to be at $username, which that is, I don't know if you know anything about the special identifiers in Mix It Up, but the at and $username is a special identifier because the at is going to highlight that user's name, and the $username is going to display that user, whoever runs this command, their name. So if I run it in your stream, it's going to display my name and then the following message. So at $username is winning 1 culture coin, which is my currency name on Mix It Up. So at $username is winning 1 culture coin, so we know how much they're going to win if this lands on this one right here. So now we're going to make that consumable so that they automatically get this culture coin. So now where you selected chat message, we're going to do the drop down menu again. You want to select consumables, click the plus button, and now you want to select your consumables again and whatever you have, like your main currency. I have culture coins. You're going to add the user. The amount, since we already know it's 1, since that's going to be in the chat message, that is 1. So anytime it lands on this, they get 1 culture coin, and it automatically deposits that culture coin into their account. So now we're going to minimize that first group we just made. So you want to click on this bar right here, whatever color you have it set up as. And then we're just going to duplicate this so we don't have to repeat that process over and over again. So now the second group appeared. The chat message, we're just going to change it up a bit. We're going to do 5 culture coins. Since we changed that, we need to change the currency. So the culture coins, add the user, we're going to change that to 5. So repeat the process again. We're going to duplicate this. You can do this several times. I have on my main one, I have like 10,000 culture coins, probably 10 times in a row. There's 100,000, and I think there's only 1 500,000 culture coin one and 1 bankrupt one. So it's very slim to none where you win big or go bankrupt. At least you get to win something. So the next one we're going to change this up a bit. So we're going to make this one go bankrupt. So at $username is going bankrupt. So now in order to not give them anything and take away all their currency, we need to go down to consumables, keep the currency right there, the culture coins. Instead of adding to user, we're going to go all the way down to reset to user. So you can't add anything right there. It's just going to, when it lands on this, it's just going to deduct all of their currency and make it 0. So they lost everything since they went bankrupt. So now we're going to duplicate this one again. We're going to add another one. So if you have like an inventory system, like on my stream I have, there's cups you can collect, and if you collect enough cups you can upgrade it to like another spin the wheel or more culture coins. So we're going to do @username is winning 1 diamond cup. So the currency, or the consumables, there's culture coins, and then there's going to be the inventory, which is the cups where they are stored. So instead of reset the user, we're going to add the user, the item name, diamond cup. We're going to do 1, and then we're going to minimize that again, and then we're going to save it. So once you get all this set up, I highly recommend, if you're doing this as a like a reward system, like a chance, what this video is about, I highly recommend you repeat this process at least 20, 25 times maybe. I'll show you what my main chance command looks like. But I highly recommend having it set up to 20 different groups. Just keep repeating that process. Get a couple dozen going right there. But once you are finished, save it. And now it's time to make that command. So you want to go up to the 3 bars at the top left, go down to commands, and then create new command at the bottom. The command name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it chance 2, the same as the action group. So the chat trigger is the command name. So whatever you type into your Twitch chat is what's going to trigger this command. So chance 2 for me, the action is going to be command. So we're going to run that action group command. So click on command, click the plus button, run command. The command type is going to be action group. The command itself is going to be what you just named, the action group. So mine's going to be chance 2, and then we're going to save it. So we're going to go into my Twitch chat right here and test out that command, chance 2. I'm winning 1 diamond cup. Chance 2 is going bankrupt. Whoops. Chance 2. I won 1 culture coin. Chance 2. 1 culture coin. Win 1 more. I'm going bankrupt. So as you can see, every time I do that, it gives you a random reward. I'll show you what my main chance command looks like. 10,000 culture coins. 10K. There's another 10K. As I said, there's a lot of 10K and 100K. And there's another one I set up as Steve has, whoever redeemed this. So it's not going to be myself. It's going to be like a user took a chance, and now Steve has to do a shot. So if it's a Friday night drunk stream, that means I have to do a shot. So I'll show you how I set my main one up. It's pretty much similar, if not exactly the same. It just has a bunch more features in it. Where is this at? Action groups. We'll do chance. So this is what my main chance command looks like. Similar to yours, random, number 1, and there's all my groups that I was talking about. You want to make sure there's at least 20. I recommend at least 20. The first one, this is my favorite feature. I'll show you how to set this one up too. Actually, I'll display this right here. Give me 1 second. So I'm going to test this command out, and it's pretty much just like a troll. It got me good the other day when a viewer did this command, and I thought he went bankrupt, but I ended up trolling myself. So I tested it out. It said, Uncultured Steve is going bankrupt, and there's a pause, and it says, just kidding, and another pause, and another chat message saying, Uncultured Steve is winning 500,000 culture coins. So when that happened, I thought this dude was going bankrupt because he's 2nd place right now in the culture coin leaderboard. But yeah, I'll show you how to set this up. So when you make a group, you want to do the chat message. So you can do @username is going bankrupt. And when that pops up, they're like, oh no, I just lost all my inventory. I lost everything. And then you can go up to action, go all the way down until you see wait. Right here, 2nd from the bottom. Click on wait, and this window will pop up. The amount's going to be 2. So that's going to be seconds. You can set it up however you like. I recommend the first one's going to be 2. And then the second chat message, you want to have the wait in between each chat message. So it's going to be chat message, and it's going to display not display it, but it's going to tell the program to wait 2 seconds until it sends another chat message. So the second chat message is going to be just kidding, and then another wait I have for 1 second, and then a chat message again, the third and final one, at $username is winning 500,000. So it's going to say the first one is going bankrupt, and they're pooping their pants. They thought they lost everything. And then a pause for 2 seconds, just kidding. And then they discovered they won 500,000. So I don't know how, if anybody has animated emotes on their Twitch, but you can actually type out that emote name. I believe it's has to be your own emotes. I'm not totally sure, but if it doesn't work for you, make sure you have send as streamer selected. If you have a bot running, a bot account set up in Mix It Up, make sure send as streamer is selected so it works. But yeah, that's how you can set up like a little fun troll feature in your chance command. But this is all I have. Chat message 10K. Like I said, I have a bunch of 10K, and there's only 1 or 2 that have like 500,000, and only 1 going bankrupt. So that's just a fun little feature that I came up with for my spin the wheel on the stream. Hopefully this video helped at least one person out. If I didn't explain something well enough and you're stuck on something, let me know in the comments down below. I will keep an eye out for all the comments, and I will help as much as I possibly can. Hopefully this video helped and sparked some more ideas for people. If it did, let me know if you got an idea off this video. If it did help you out and you are going to use it, please like this video and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.